You're listening to the sounds of original Dobo, so let yourself go and feel the vibe of the fire. Okay, that didn't go like I planned. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. Today we are taking a look at the Nuvending Atmosphere speaker. It's a flame speaker, sort of interesting. Inside the box you get a micro USB cord and the flame speaker itself, and a bunch of paperwork. The speaker actually looks like this little thing from a rival. It almost like has an egg shape to it, and then the flame sort of just does its thing and looks natural like. It charges via micro USB. No USB-C here. It's still a bummer we don't see any USB-C charging ports on any of these. At the top you have a button to turn the speaker light on, volume and power button, and a play pause button. At the bottom there is a spot where you can connect it to a tripod, which I find sort of interesting. The speaker light actually does a really good job of emulating a flame, and it looks super interesting. I definitely have never seen a speaker quite like this before. Sound quality is just okay. It's a very small driver, so you can't really expect much from it, but it does a pretty good job with what it is. So in conclusion, you're getting a 2000 milliamp hour battery in this thing, a 5-watt speaker, and it's all priced for about $39.99. I'll include a link in the description below if you want to change your love life. As always, I'm Dr. Dobo. Catch you new next time.